Hey, click subscribe below, then the bell icon. Stay in touch with Riehle-Wright Leather Company.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about another little product I make. When I was a little kid, my mom was a horseshoer, a farrier, and I would go around with her in her vehicle. And my first exposure to really forging metal and moving metal around was when I'd play with her old horseshoe nails that she'd pull out of the horse's hooves, and I'd be a little 6 and 7 year old kid playing with her anvil and making things. So I decided, I was like, I need to do something with actually a horseshoe nail and make a product because they're so iconic and so unique. They've been used for so many thousands of years. It would be a really cool thing to give you all a chance to get a piece of history and have a product in your homes that's made out of an actual horseshoe nail. So what I do is I'll take a standard nail. This is going to be involved in making what I call the handy hook. There's multiple ways we can do them. This is going to be like your key or jewelry hanger. Here's a finished product on the board. This year I'm doing the buttercup. You can see where I've actually forged the buttercup into each one of these little hooks here. And I'll take you through that process real quick. But I'll show you the process that goes into making each one of these hooks. So you know when you buy these, you're getting them that are made from this shop here. And all the tooling that makes these, I've designed uniquely for this. This is the only place in the world that you will be able to get that hook there. So what we do is, first of all, like I said, I picked a buttercup and I put it next to my engraving bench. This is going to get a little loud here, but I'll pull this out so you can see what's going on. So I did an artist rendition of a buttercup. I carved it into a piece of spring steel, and then the piece of spring steel was pressed into this die. Okay, so that was an actual buttercup that I was looking at, and my rendition of it, and then it's pressed into this bottom die. So then is what I do. I'll take this nail here. It's going to get loud, so I'll try to speak over it. Each nail has to be heated up. Almost to the forging temperature there. And I can do this in a coal forge or in a propane forge, just so you can really see the process that goes into this. Okay, like this, and I'll set it into that die. And we have that process done. So you can see there's a beautiful little flower forged into that. Okay, so from that process, I'm going to cool this down. Now I have, of course, horseshoe nail to a flower. I'm going to straighten this out so I can put it in my next process. Make sure that that's straight. Okay, so now in order to make this comfortable and usable so it's not sharp, I'm going to roll the tip. So I built this whole apparatus strictly for doing this. This is the only tool in the world that is like this. So when I die and gone, they'll be going through my toolkit and they'll be asking, what is this tool? Okay, so what that does, it puts a nice little curl on the end. I take it over, I'll pull down on the lever again, and now we got the nice bend for holding whatever you want on there. So then we're gonna put a bronze nail in the end there. So you can come over here, and I built a special, it's a special punch press. This is on an old fly press. This is what they used to make jewelry parts and stuff with. I built this little die specifically for these hooks. And we have a nice little hole put in there. Then after that process, I take these hooks after I make them, and I will get them hot. They'll mildly hot in an open forge like this, and then I'll roll them inside of a bucket full of leather and beeswax, so they get a nice black finish. Now these are the standard hooks that don't have the flower forged onto them. I intend to every year come out with a new design. So this year, 2020, is the Buttercup. Next year, I don't know what's going to come up, but they'll be kind of collectible because I'll probably only do it until that die is done, and then we'll come up with something new. So that's how that little hook is made. You can use them all over in your house. Here's one of the originals, the first one I ever made. You can see how quaint they look. I don't know if that's the right word, but anyway, you can hang them anywhere in your house, and you can hang quite a few things on them. I mean, this thing weighs 3 or 4 pounds. There's not going to be any problem holding that there. Eventually, I'll be doing some large ones that you can hang a coffee cup on, so you can do in your kitchen. Anyway, that's how we do that. So yeah, you can look on the website and click the link below, and you can find these. And there'll be multiple different types of them there. So in the full form here, if you want them with the already ready to go with the hooks, and all you got to do is screw them to your wall, hang your jewelry, your keys, napkin holders, all that kind of thing to them, or we'll sell them individually. So however you like there. And we also have the more robust ones that don't have the flower forged into them, either one. So anyway, get you a bunch of these. They're going to be a very affordable price. You can tell somebody the story about how this is the only place you can actually get these. There is no place online that you can buy these, only here. So anyway, that's a little bit what we do here. A lot more to come out from Riehle Custom Leather and Metalworks. So yeah, we'll be talking to you guys later.
If you would like to buy products from Riehle-Wright Leather Company, click the link below, and we'll look forward to doing business with you. There's lots more stuff coming out in the future, lots more videos, so we'll catch you guys on the next one.